Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, I just now got a tent house. Look, let's open it and see. It's from Amazon. It's a little hard to get in. Oh, it's inside. I have to go this way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. This. What? It's this design? Oh, some papers. I'll just put here. Wow, it's pink. I'll put this at the side. And look at the bag. Yeah, this is a storage bag, I think. When we fold it, and we can put it in this bag and take it anywhere we want. This is actually a foldable type. First, I buy this. Oh, there's tape. Let me try to take it out. A little hard. I open it. Wow. What is this? It's like an elastic in the trousers. Oh my goodness. Ah! Whoa! It just blasted! Oh my goodness! I can't believe. Oh no, I think it's breaking. Yes, it worked. I have to pull that. This is hard. Excuse me, what's this? That's it. It fits for a whole room. Wow. I can't believe. Come on, let's go see inside. Ooh. Wow. Inside there's a nice cover. And outside here it looks like it's opened. But it's just a net. I have to open these like this. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, this window is stuck here. Ah, yes. I can even open it anytime I want and close. Hi. See? And here, we just close it like this. Hello. Yeah, we can open and keep it like that. And sometimes, if you want to close, look, we have this, right? You can close it over here. Look. And go inside. It's so fun in here. And we can inside like this. Nice tent house. No, this net is for ventilation. If we need air, we can get. And look at the screen. This tie is for tying the screen like this. It looks like a nice balcony, right? So, and it's a raincoat material and it never breaks. A nice material, right? One side. And this. And this. Come on inside. We can also keep books inside. I had 4 storybooks and they're giant. Oh my goodness. Sprinklers. Hurt. Let's arrange these things. First, it is a little squishy here. Hang on. It needs to be beautiful. Yes. It's a little hard. Let me try. That's it. Great. Now come. First, let me do this like this. Look. That's it. Now, these storybooks are going to go here. We can just lie down like this and read storybooks, sit and play with dollies. Anytime we can see out anything. If we keep it out in the hall, you can see TV. I'm going to make my dolly sit. You can also play tea. Like you can keep a small table and play tea party. Hang on, this is big, so I'll keep it in that corner. Come read. After arranging, I'll tell their names. They were the friends, and these two are friends too. That's it. I need more things. I got an idea. What first? Also bring rough note and sketches like this to draw. And I brought this. I made a phone myself. I can keep it in the storybooks. Hang on. Hey, what is this? Wait, one storybook is missing. This is a storybook. Inside it's silver paper at the front and there are other movies. Ultimate Fairy Treasury, all movie stories. And this is Magical Stories and Treasury. These are 2 full movie stories. The movie stories this side, the normal bedtime and reading stories that side. Look, Animal Tales for bedtime. And a treasury to read with mommy. You read this book with your mother. I'll keep it in this corner. I love this house. I love to play. I love to play with the dollies. I like to read with the storybooks, draw so many drawings. And then I want to do so many things in this tent house. Wow, I love it. I'll keep the storybook over here and the sketch over here. And I'll keep my homemade phone here. That's it. This is a nice place, right? Come inside and look. And it's a little high for me. I can stand a little, but I can only bend a little. I should stand like this. For ventilation, I just told you now. So this is a nice tent house. And look at these hairs. These are for designs. And I can do many things inside. Wow, I like it. And I can sit here. You can take this to your bed and sleep inside this. You can take this and go anywhere. And I showed you the bed, right? You can put it inside and go can go anywhere you want. So remember, if you want to buy a nice tent house, you can buy this foldable type. It's a little rupees. It's in the thousands rupees. It's just a little, 1,156. So try to take this. It's a nice design, right? Thank you for watching my channel, and remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And look in Amazon, you'll be amazed. Bye, see you soon.